everyone. Today we are going to be talking about what is niacinamide, what are its uses, and how niacinamide is used in treating dry skin condition. Niacinamide is also known as vitamin B3 or nicotinamide, and it is used in treating dry skin type. And the first reason why is it used in dry skin type treatment is hydration. Niacinamide improves the skin natural barrier function, and it helps with the water loss, hence resulting in the hydration of the skin. For dry skin type, it can lead to improved water retention and hence leaving the skin soft and shiny or supple. The second reason is that it helps in barrier repair. So niacinamide is given to the people who have dry skin condition. Actually, dry skin type people have compromised skin barrier. Due to this, when niacinamide is given to these people, what happens is like niacinamide stimulates the production of ceramides, the lipids that is essential to bring back that healthy skin barrier. And niacinamide in adequate amount, that is 2% to 5%, is given to the dry skin type condition. The third reason is relating to the first one, that is reduction in the transepidermal water loss. Now, when there is transepidermal water loss, the water retention is lost and the water moves away from the skin. That can lead to more dryness and cracked skin. So when niacinamide is added, it helps to keep that water into the skin by production of ceramides, and that is why it helps in the reduction of the transepidermal water loss. Fourth reason is it has anti-inflammatory properties. When there is dry skin, there is redness, itchiness, and also sensitivity. It helps in the reduction of the discomfort that is caused by the dryness, and it is also used in the treatment of eczema as well as rosacea. The fifth reason is that it improves the skin texture. It helps in the production of collagen, and that leads to improving the skin condition, and that is why it helps in the reduction of the fine lines and wrinkles, hence used for the treatment of premature aging as well as aged skin. Now for the sixth reason, that is the brightening effect. Now for the people who are suffering from hyperpigmentation mark and uneven skin tone, niacinamide in lesser percentage has shown to improve the overall glow on the face, and it also helps to achieve that radiant and glowing finish to the skin. It helps with the people who are suffering from uneven skin tone to have that appearance of overall skin tone on their face so that there is no dark patches present. It also helps regulation of the melanin that gives the color to the skin, and if there is more production of melanin, it can lead to hyperpigmentation marks. The seventh point why niacinamide is given to the dry skin type condition is its property of oil regulation. Yes, you heard me right. In the dry skin condition, there is less appearance of oil, and due to this, when niacinamide is added, the oil regulation is enhanced, and that's why given to the people who are suffering from oily skin type or combination skin, because the niacinamide reduces the oil production there. But here it enhances the oil production in dry skin type condition, making the skin have the adequate amount of oil necessary to hydrate and to function properly. Overall, niacinamide is known as an all-rounder ingredient because of these all concerns that it can target and it can help. So it is helping with premature aging, it is helping with hyperpigmentation reduction, it is helping with the dryness, it's helping with the oily skin type condition. That is why niacinamide is needed. But there are some precautions that you need to take. When you have a dry skin, you should not use any niacinamide concentration more than 10%. So the ordinary 10% plus zinc 1% is not in the question. So you're gonna step it out because it's not necessary for the dry skin type condition. But if you have a compromised skin barrier, then you can use the minimalist 5% niacinamide serum. That is excellent. Or any of the serum that is less than 5%. It is excellent for dry skin type or for the beginners who are trying niacinamide for the first time. But in conclusion, if you incorporate the adequate amount of niacinamide into your skincare routine, it can help you to achieve radiant and glowing skin, eventually leading to healthier skin barrier. So these were the different benefits of niacinamide on skin. If you like this video, make sure that you click on that bell icon and also share these with your friends so that they can also have a knowledge about how niacinamide is used in the skincare world. Thank you very much for watching again. I'll see you soon in another video. Take care. and bye.